how to log into your Sparkasse Bank account. So if you don't know, Sparkasse is a Danish bank services, so it provides different kind of banking services to you. And if you have already made an account and you want to log in, this is how you can do it. You just type on your web browser Sparkasse login. This will take you directly to your login page. So you just open it on the new tab, and then as you can see, it will take you to this page. So if you are on your login page, you can see that the language here is Danish. So if you want to change it to English, you just click on this little translate icon right here, and you can convert it to English. So this will ask you for your login name. You just enter your login name, and once you do that, you can click on OK. This will ask you for your banking PIN, and you can type in your banking PIN right here. And if you are sure that this is your login name and your banking PIN, then you can continue and log into your bank account. And that's how you can easily log into your Sparkasse's bank account. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.